Hello, welcome to ITC Smart Exhibition Hall. Here is the command center area, which is equipped with P1.25 LED video wall. For display function. Camera for remote consultation, professional sound system for local or remote sound amplification, and visual management platform that can be operated through wireless tablet and KVM Seat. First, let's see the tablet. Now it displays a whole page. We can clear it and drag screens to each display area. The FPGA chip is adapted to schedule audio and video without delay in about 16 milliseconds. It is very smooth to drag audio and video to display on the wall. Each screen can be zoomed, superimposed, and roamed. There are also scene modes, which can be directly switched to the LED video wall with one click. In addition, you can also perform operations on each computer of the KVM Seat. The visual management platform can be integrated with the central control system to control the lighting, curtains, air conditioning, LED screen, paperless conference equipment, and camera rotation in the exhibition hall. These operations can be performed on the tablet. In addition, you can also turn PPT pages and check the device status. Next, let's take a look at the operation of the KVM Seat. This page is the signal source connected from the input box. You can save frequently used signal sources or input zones to favorites for easy search. The next page shows the overall scheduling platform. This is the display area of the signal source. The operation is also very simple and convenient. It can be divided into 1 split screen, 2 split screens, and 4 split screens. Clear the screen and drag signal sources to display on the LED video wall. There are also scene modes here, which can be directly displayed to the LED video wall with one click, which is convenient. This is communication between agents. You can enter the account or IP address to dial, or select an agent in your address book to make a video or voice call. Then here are the basic settings, where you can set up fingerprint recognition and face recognition to unlock permissions in multiple ways. There are also settings such as USB transparent transmission, shortcut keys, and account logout. Here is the device information, including IP address, gateway, server address, etc. The above is the introduction of the visual management platform.